Yo, what's going on? Try back here. You know I'm doing. Wait. 2 bottles of water. What is that? Look at Grandma. Look at Grandma. 2 bottles of water. First will be to call you out.
It's finally open house day, and we do these things a little bit differently.
It's too hot, Grandma.
We get the word out to the community, and
Yep.
so people really start talking about the house.
Yeah, in these small towns,
If some people want me to do a try not to do a fart challenge, Grandma.
so the more
Okay.
traffic, the better.
Some people do on Instagram, they call me to do a try not to do a fart challenge.
Oh my god, this is awesome. How cute is that picket fence?
Thank
Just
you.
such great curve here.
Yeah, so when we got this house, there was nothing here but overgrown bushes and trees. So we added the fence that would have been here 100 years ago, gave it fresh clapboard and paint, and added a pop of color with the classic colonial green to the shutters.
I love how the
Green shutters really set off the front, and the chimney is so large.
The chimney is Barry's signature Royal Barry Will. He was a famous architect. He was trying to replicate going back to colonial time. It's very tough down.
Chug this water faster. Grandma, do you think I'm gonna get brain freeze? Grandma? Hi out, Subies. I'm a favorite YouTuber.
The kitchen's the heart of any home, so this is just stunning.
I love the glass. The glass in it matches the door. That just being Victoria. It's so pretty.
They've converted this into an island. It's such a great historic feel, though.
Mike restored it.
It's just a beautiful job.
You've got
That was fast, Grandma.
bedroom that is an absolute necessity in New England. This used to be
Put in the patio out front. How unique.
I swear.
a dressing room. So to keep the bedroom uncluttered, everything is in here.
The color's just great, and the place is so bright because of that, you know.
This was just a little shed. Right.
It's the same
Yeah.
footprint where you're standing right now.
But then added on and added on.
It's absolutely.
Oh, and look at this sunny bedroom. The high ceilings.
Lots of light in this.
Vintage radiator.
Radiator.
This has a beautiful black paint.
Yeah, I like the vintage
Gorgeous.
radiator. This is like a dream. Like this.
This would have been nice to
Oh my
have
god,
here.
I love this. Yeah. I wish this was my room when I lived here.
You love that burp, Grandma.
Wow. A beautiful period piece looks
Peace out
fantastic.
to you.